we'll guide you through how to connect Supabase to VS Code project. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this specific tutorial, make absolutely sure you already have VS Code properly installed and a project already created in your Supabase dashboard. Open your VS Code application and successfully open the specific folder containing your current web project. For this instructional example, I am actively using a very simple Express Supabase project. Open the integrated terminal directly in VS Code by simultaneously pressing the Control and Tilde key combination. In the terminal, carefully type npm install at supabase/supabase.js, or use bun install if you actually have bun installed, and press enter to effectively install the official Supabase client. While waiting for the installation to completely finish, go over to your workspace file explorer and creatively create a completely new file specifically named env inside the root directory. Now, properly open your web browser, go straight to your Supabase project dashboard, navigate carefully to project settings, and then accurately select the API option. Securely copy your unique project URL and the ANON public API key directly from that exact settings page. Go straight back to your .env file inside VS Code and neatly paste them exactly like this. Supabase_rel equals your URL and Supabase_key equals your key. Next, efficiently create another brand new file directly inside your main source folder named supabaseClient.js, or alternatively use .ts if you are actively using TypeScript. In this completely new file, properly import the official Supabase client. Initialize the database connection by writing a completely new variable that explicitly calls createClient, accurately passing in the unique URL and key directly from your .env file. Export this completely configured client variable so you can securely use it absolutely anywhere throughout your entire web project. Open your main application file and successfully import the configured Supabase client that you literally just created. Write a very simple database query, such as successfully selecting absolutely all available data from a specific table and carefully log the generated result using console.log. Finally, securely run your application and thoroughly check the active developer console directly on your main computer screen right away. If your database rows clearly appear directly in the active log, your Supabase connection has been perfectly and successfully established today without any kind of problems or further technical complications at all.